Hello everyone! As you know, global smartphone giant Oppo has been focused on giving the best user experience with every launch, and they keep getting better and better. And it's no surprise, the brand new Oppo Reno 3 Pro brings with it a lot of world's firsts, which includes the world's first 44 plus 2 megapixel dual punch hole cameras. पर ये फोन पहले के फोन से थोड़ा अलग है because it gives you amazing photography experience but also provides amazing videography experience. Now we will get into that a little bit later, but now let's focus on the box we've received and all the goodies in it. The beautiful design aesthetics of this phone is the very first thing that catches your eye. The dual punch hole display brings Oppo's aesthetic sense to the next level once again. Simple, smooth, clean, thinner and lighter, and a rounded appeal which feels great in my hand. It brings a maximum brightness of 800 nits and a peak brightness of 1200 nits that ensure a stunning viewing experience. Hidden Fingerprint Unlock 3.0 delivers a smooth and safe unlocking experience. Ye kiya and it's done. The Reno series is known for its amazing phone finish and gradient design, and the Reno 3 Pro takes the legacy forward with three amazing colors: Midnight Black, Sky White and my personal favorite, Auroral Blue. Well, ये तो हो गई looks की बात, but even as far as the performance is concerned, the phone is packed with the best-in-class specs. It comes with 8GB of RAM, up to 256GB of storage that delivers stellar performance with its long-lasting 4025 mAh battery. It uses Flash Charge 4.0 to deliver super fast and super safe charging. It is powered by MTK P95, which is the most powerful AI processing engine available for 4G smartphones. This supports stunning AI camera actions. Now that's simply brilliant. Itna kuch hai is phone mein, but the real magic is in the camera. The 13 megapixel telephoto lens enables the camera's zoom capabilities. The 64 megapixel ultra clear main camera perceives light more keenly and captures delicate details. The 2 megapixel mono lens helps capture different kinds of portraits. The 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens allows more details in limited spaces. The 64 megapixel plus 13 megapixel plus 8 megapixel cameras work together to provide 2x optical zoom, 5x hybrid zoom and a 20x digital zoom. The AI-powered ultra dark mode in the rear camera combines pictures shot at various exposure levels. Similarly, AI-based noise reduction further gives you bright and clear results in dim light conditions. In fact, when the illumination is below 1 lux, the ultra dark mode automatically turns on to deliver superior night photography experience. Well, another important feature of the rear camera is its ability to capture 108 megapixel images. Now, these ultra clear 108 megapixel images capture rich detail which keeps impressing you even when you magnify the image. This is because the Reno 3 Pro generates a low pixel original image with more information by matching and calibrating subpixels on different frames. Then, through subpixel interpolation, the original image with low pixels becomes a picture with high resolution. Now coming to the front camera, which is the world's first 44 plus 2 megapixel dual punch hole camera. This takes stunning selfies, which focuses on the subject and leaves the background natural and accurate. Not only does the front camera have the first ever application of dual lens bokeh, but it also has ultra night mode to enable diverse selfie experience for the users. Talking about the videography, the Reno 3 Pro also makes great advances with Ultra Steady Video 2.0. It uses electronic image stabilization to first sense and then remove the vibrations, giving your shaky videos enough stability. It also features Soloop's smart video editor, independently developed by Color OS, which is perfect for budding vloggers and video enthusiasts to create clear videos on the go. Well, I am definitely going to be hooked on this. This phone is equipped with cutting-edge audio technologies like Dolby Atmos and high-res audio that allow sound clarity and definitely get you in the groove. All in all, the Oppo Reno 3 Pro allows users to capture clear and beautiful images without being restricted by the lighting conditions or the time of day. These sample photographs are just a small taste of what this phone and its spectacular camera are capable of. Well, if you want to experience the best photography and videography technology that's out there, then you need to get your hands on this phone. This device comes with an 8 plus 128GB variant at 29,990 rupees and an 8 plus 256GB variant at 32,990 rupees. So, here's a phone that aces looks, audio, battery, and of course the imaging capabilities. Too good to be true? Well, there's only one way to find out. The all-new Reno 3 Pro will be available from 6th of March across all Oppo stores and retail outlets.